Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
अच्छा, division 5. I sent you a message on a group and नीचे मैंने क्या लिखा है दिगंबर? What was my last line? In a maths group division 5. What I have written?
Ma'am, please acknowledge.
What does it mean? What is the meaning of? What is the meaning? Don't know? You don't know the meaning?
No, ma'am.
नहीं पता? Who knows the meaning of this? जब कोई आपको मैसेज करता है एटलीस्ट उसे रिप्लाई करो यस मैम एंड दैट टू ओनली सीआर विल रिप्लाई ओके मैम हाउ डू आई कम टू नो इन्फो से मैं देखती हूँ पता चलता है कि किसने किसने रीड किया मेरा मैसेज नो वन इज रिप्लाइंग एक्नॉलेज किसे बोलते हैं आपने रीड किया और देखा और यस दिल में बोला यस एक्नॉलेज किया यस और नो
Sorry, ma'am.
अच्छा दिगंबर एंड अनिमेश बोथ ऑफ यू आई मेड यू को होस्ट ठीक है एंटर कर लेना बंदों को
Yes,
डिवीजन
ma'am.
एंड 2
Yes,
दोनों
ma'am.
ही साथ में है ठीक है एडमिट करो अगर कोई एडमिट नहीं होता होगा आपसे तो मुझे बताना फाइन
Yes, ma'am.
ये प्रथमेश जादव एंड ऑल वेयर आर दे
I'm here, Prathamesh Jadhav.
हाउ आर यू प्रथमेश
Very nice, ma'am.
वेरी नाइस जरा मिलना मुझे कल मंडे को कॉलेज में घूमने वाले हो क्या आप लोग
Oh भाई कार्ला मैम संडे को भी घूमते
ठीक से बात कर प्रथमेश नहीं समझ में आया अगर तेरे बैकग्राउंड में किसी का वॉइस आया मुझे
नहीं मैम बस
तेरे
रूम में थे मेरा
तेरे रूम में कितने बंदे हैं
2 इंद्रजीत और मैं
इंद्रजीत और तू आप लोग क्या बहुत सिंगर बन गए हो क्या गाना गाते हो कौन गाना गा रहा था अभी सिंगर है क्या प्रथमेश तू
मैम वो नहीं था
नहीं
अभी।
मैम मैं नहीं था मैं तो अभी ज्वाइन हुआ मैम
मैम
क्या आवाज
ड्यूटी
आई अभी बड़ा गाना गाने का मन कर रहा है क्या Okay. So in our last lecture, we have seen so many formulas. Not so many, few formulas, right? And the meaning of Laplace transform. Its definition. What is Laplace of ft? Come on. चलो फटाफट अपनी नोटबुक ओपन रखो या तो पीडीएफ ओपन रखो and answer me. What is Laplace of ft? Integration from 0 to infinity. E raised to
e to the
minus
power
st
FTDT. Very good. Huh? If you want to find Laplace of any function, you can use this definition and can find the answer. And your answer will be in a form of S, function in S. And it is also written as capital F of S. Fine. Now, what is Laplace of 1?
1 by S.
1 by S.
Very good.
Ma'am, 1 by
Laplace of e raised to at
1 by S minus
S minus
a. Very good. Laplace of e raised to minus at
1 upon S plus A.
1 upon s plus a. Very good.
S plus A.
Laplace of sine of at.
A upon
A
S.
by
A
S
upon S
square
square
plus
plus
A
A
square.
पीडीएफ में बाय मिस्टेक लैप्लास ऑफ cos 80 को नीचे माइनस डाला है. इट इज नॉट माइनस, हाँ, इट इज प्लस. व्हाट इज लैप्लास
S
ऑफ cos
upon S square.
S upon S square plus A square.
प्लस a स्क्वायर? ठीक है. व्हाट इज लैप्लास ऑफ साइन ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक ऑफ 80?
A upon S square
S
minus
square
A
minus
square.
A square.
वेरी गुड. एंड लैप्लास ऑफ cos ऑफ हाइपरबोलिक ऑफ 80?
S upon
And S upon S square minus A.
वेरी गुड. है ना? So you know these formulas. Now Laplace of t raised to n
N factorial upon S power n plus 1.
And
and factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. When you are going to use this?
So positive number.
0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is Laplace of t? What is Laplace of t?
1 upon S square.
1 upon s square. Okay, Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s. Then what is Laplace of t? 1 upon s square. ठीक है ना? You are using this formula, nothing else. और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. अच्छा, if I want to find Laplace of t raised to half, which formula are you going to use?
वो second वाला.
Gamma
n plus 1 upon S
upon
plus 1.
plus 1 upon
Gamma.
S power n plus 1.
Very good. Gamma n plus 1 upon s raised to n plus 1, where n is the power of t, right? So this is for the fraction and negative power of t. So using all these formulas, we are going to do the questions. Did I explain any of the question? Explain किया था या नहीं?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So method of finding Laplace transform. It says that if you are given any function, okay, use the previous result, or it says that use the trigonometry and simplify it or convert it into your standard Laplace transform form. Convert it into standard Laplace transform form. Okay. Standard Laplace form means all these. All these are standard Laplace form. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
State the property or standard results of Laplace transform at respective step where you are using, right? Simplify the final expression and make it compact. The linearity property. Now we will see there are total 10 to 11 properties of Laplace transform. First is linearity property. All of you have understood what is linearity property?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So no need to explain, na? Fine. This is linearity property. Okay. Now, using this linearity property, you are having total 1 to 9 questions in exercise number 21.1, which is on a page number 732. Fine. This you have to do extra work. Solve sum number 21.1 is based on only standard function. Hai na? 1 to 9, because in this exercise, if you will see, there are so many questions, 28, 27 questions hai. So 1 to 9 questions are totally based under this simple standard form. Okay. So I want to apply, this is the first question in that exercise. I want to apply Laplace transform on this. So what I'll do, I'm going to use linearity property first. I will apply Laplace on each and every term. Okay. Laplace of e raised to 2t, will take out 4 outside, and then Laplace of t cube minus 2 Laplace of sine 3t plus 3 Laplace of cos 3t. Now all these terms are in their standard form. Are they? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am.
I want to apply the Laplace on e raised to 2t. So with which formula you will compare this? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 1 upon
One
x.
E to the power 80.
E raised to 80 से compare करोगे, right? तो इसका formula क्या है? 1 upon
1 upon s minus
s minus a. What is a over here?
ma'am, 2.
Answer.
S minus 2.
Very good. Plus 4 t cube.
e raised to power n का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे.
हाँ.
N formula.
What?
N factorial upon s power n
1
plus
by 6i.
What is n? 3
3.
factorial
3.
upon s
S
raised to 4
by
ठीक
4.
है minus
By h2.
2 बोलो sin 3t.
1
Ma'am, a
A
upon
upon
s
S
square
plus
plus
3t.
What is a?
3 upon s square plus 9.
9. Very
just
good.
9.
Very good. Plus 3 cos 3t.
S by s
S
square plus 9.
9.
How many of you don't understand? Ask me right now. The one who don't understand, please ask me right now. Now, can you simplify this? ये simplify कर सकते
Yes,
हो?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
simplify and write down your answer. Fine. So this is the way you will apply Laplace. So this is your first question. मैंने करके भी दिया है आपके PDF में already there. Which formula we have used? वो formula भी मैंने लिखे हैं, है ना? Now, next. Apply Laplace on each and every term. चलो. How many formula will you use over here?
3.
ma'am, 3.
3 or only 2?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am, two.
Sorry, 2.
Only 2.
2. Yes,
And
ma'am.
Laplace of t raised to n का कौन सा formula use करोगे? Simple और gamma वाला?
मैं वो गामा वाला.
Gamma वाला. हाँ, gamma वाला. S raised to n plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
वर्षा. Fine on कर. Okay? चलो. So first foremost thing is use linearity property. Apply Laplace on each and every term by taking out constant aside. है ना? And then convert it into standard function form. Laplace of t raised to minus half because it is 1 upon t raised 1 upon root t. Chalo, answer. Come on. 1 by s plus 2 gamma half plus 1. This is my n. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Upon s raised to
Half plus
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
plus 3 gamma half upon s raised to half. And you know very well what is the value of gamma n plus 1, n gamma n, right? So 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 upon s raised to 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled and the value of gamma half is root pi. So 1 by s plus root pi upon s raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 root pi upon s raised to half. Done? Okay. Anybody has any doubt in this? Ask me. See how I have done this question. I applied linearity property. Then I am using standard result. Yes or no? Then I am simplifying gamma n plus 1. उसे क्या लिखा गामा 3 by 2. But I know कि n plus 1 को 3 by 2 नहीं लिखना है. मुझे इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर चाहिए. So I have written half gamma half. तो मैंने सिंप्लीफाई किया, कॉम्पैक्ट किया, आंसर निकाला. I have used the another result gamma half which is root pi. हाँ, this is the way you can do the question. अगर आप ऐसा क्वेश्चन करते हो ना, 1 मार्क कोई भी बंदा कहीं कट नहीं कर सकता. So PDF है, यूज करो. ओके, कैन यू डू दिस क्वेश्चन? हो जाएगा ये?
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर बताओगे कोई मुझे डायरेक्ट?
3s minus 20 upon s square minus 25.
S square minus 25.
24 man, 24.
24?
Yes.
How it is 24?
4a
25 yes. Sorry.
बोलो आगे. 4 upon
3s minus 20 upon s square minus 24. Yes, ma'am.
आंसर में कोई गड़बड़ किया है क्या मैंने? नहीं. 5 स्क्वायर. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. 25 है.
25 होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Cos AT plus B. Do you have a formula for Laplace of cos AT plus B? ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला है? बताया मैंने?
No, ma'am.
No. So what to do?
Identity लगाएंगे.
Using cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, trigonometry formula. So Laplace of cos AT, cos B, where A and B are constants, sin of AT, sin B. Done? Now take out the constant aside and apply linearity property. Minus sin B, Laplace of sin of AT. Tell me the answer.
S by s square plus a.
Minus sin b into a square plus minus sin b into a upon a square plus s square.
S upon
S square plus a square.
A upon
S square plus a square.
This is the answer. No need to simplify. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Fine. See, this is the question done. Can you do this question? कौन करके बताएगा मुझे? चलो. What to do?
Whole square है ना?
A minus B the whole square. Very good. A square minus B square. Okay, it is already done over here. ठीक है? And the value of this is 1. This is sin 2t. Laplace of 1. Laplace of sin 2t. The Laplace of 1 is 1 upon s. Laplace of sin 2t is 2 upon s square plus 2 square which is 4. यहाँ पे 2 square नहीं लिखना है, 4 लिखना है. ठीक है? This is only for your understanding. At the end, you will compact the answer. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay, see over here. Again here, what is used? You have done this type of simplification in 12th standard, isn't?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So do I have to explain you?
No.
No need to explanation, right? Cos A, cos B, multiplying and dividing with 2, 2. 2 cos A, cos B is cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. Then again this cos 3t multiplied with cos 3t gives you cos squared 3t. Cos t multiplied with cos 3t gives you cos t into cos 3t. No need to apply any formula over here, but this has standard formula. 1 plus cos 60 over 2. Cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. This formula I have applied over here. Again multiply and dividing with 2, 2. So 2 cos A cos B gives you cos of A plus B plus cos of minus 2t, t minus 3t gives you minus 2t. But cos hai to positive 2t. And this 2 is this 2. Fine. So please go through this question. Now all this term, this become addition form. देखो, cos 60 over 4, cos 40 over 4, cos 2t over 4. Right? So here, for the first term, which formula will you apply? Which formula are you going to apply over here? Laplace of 1 by 4. Which formula?
Linearity.
Yes.
What is Laplace of 1 by 4? 1 by 4 s. है ना? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4s, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cos 60. Laplace of cos 80. Cos 80. Cos 80. But here, in all this term, your A is 6 over here. A is 4. A is 2. And then simplify. So use the formula. And then simplify. Same way you can go with example number 7. है ना? Sin t, sin 2t, sin a, sin b का formula use करो and complete it. Okay. This is a homework again. I want to see how many of you are doing this question. In this question, because this has very highest power, sin raised to 5t, if you don't want to do using this, you can convert it into sin squared t and sin cube t. You can do like this. Here you can use sin 3 alpha ka formula. Here you can use 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 ka formula. Right na? Kar sakte ho. If you don't want to use this, if you don't want to use complex number ka exponential form or binomial expansion, if you don't want to use, then you can use this. But this is very helpful if you have power, higher power, raised to 8t. Then this become very difficult to write like this, means sin square t into sin square t into sin square t into sin square t, right? Instead, if you know the binomial expansion and if you know the Euler's form, cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. So if you know this, you must write the Euler's form of sin theta. And what is the power given over here? 5. So raised to 5. Simplify it. Use the binomial. Simplify it. And you will be getting this form. But what is this? This is sin 5t. This is sin 3t. And this is sin t. So at the end, if you simplify using this, you will get the same answer for this and for this. Fine. So try this question. Cos cube t, isn't it easy? Again, direct cos cube alpha, uska formula use kiya from here. cos 3 alpha का formula में से cos cube alpha का formula निकाला, and now apply the Laplace. It is directly in a standard form. Yes or no? So all these 9 questions are totally based on formula, standard function का Laplace. Now, this already done. You can do sine cube ka as a homework. Now we have the second property, first shifting property. We have used standard results and linearity property in first to 9th question. Okay. Now, what is first shifting property? It says that if you know the Laplace of any function, which is fs. Okay, Laplace of any function which is fs. Then Laplace of e raised to at into ft is nothing but replacing s minus a in place of s. And which is this a? This a is this wala. Anybody understood this? ये जो मैंने बोला वो किसी को समझ में आया?
मैम जो फॉर्मूलाज में s है उसको s माइनस से रिप्लेस करेंगे.
हाँ, मीन्स आप क्या करोगे? आपको सपोज ऐसे दिया है, इफ यू आर गिवन लाइक दिस, ठीक है, कंपेयर दिस विद द गिवन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग. व्हाट इज ft? अगर मैंने कंपेयर किया तो व्हाट इज ft?
ft is t.
ft is t. Suppose instead of this a, I'll give you say e raised to 3t. Fine. Now, what is ft? T. What is a?
3.
3. A is 3. ft is t. तो क्या बोला है उन्होंने? If you know the Laplace of ft, do you know Laplace of t?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 1 upon
s
square. t raised to n का फॉर्मूला यूज किया आपने, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो 1 upon s. अब क्या करना है? If you want the answer for this, replace here. fs में क्या replace करना है? s minus a.
S minus.
Yes. So इसका आंसर कैसे लिखूंगी मैं? 1 upon s minus what is a?
3.
3. The whole square is the answer of this. Done?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt? This is no.
Please explain it.
Can you please explain it once again?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. If you know the standard function, okay, first shifting property, the form of, what is the form of first shifting property? So I'll say Laplace of e raised to at into ft. Okay. This is a form of first shifting property. Okay. Now, what it says, find the Laplace of ft, this ft, whatever may be the function. Okay. Find it. And after finding, you are getting, it is a function in s. Okay. Once you got, it is a function in s, replace this s with s minus a is the answer of this. So if I want to find Laplace of this term, so what I'll do for my understanding, I will compare this with this form and we'll write what is ft. Then I will find
T.
Laplace of ft, which is Laplace of t. What is that? What you will get? Laplace of t, function in s, 1 upon s square मिलेगा ना? बताया ना मैंने ऊपर फॉर्मूला?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So you got, is this fs? Is this fs? This is fs. But what is your answer? Answer क्या मिलना चाहिए? It must be in a term of s minus a. From where I'll
Minus
take a? What is my a? What is my a?
Ma'am,
E to the power 3.
E to the power a t का a. So
Yes, ma'am.
in this, I am going to replace s with s minus a square. The answer for this is this. Within a 1 second, you can get the answer. But for that, you must know what is ft, right? This is ft. Then you have to think, or you can do a side. Laplace of ft, find this. Then write over here, replacing s with s minus a, which is s minus 3. Because in my example, my a is 3. So I'll do I will write s minus 3. And we'll write the answer. Done? Understood now? See what it is.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Simply replacing s
Yes,
by
ma'am.
s minus a in fs. This is my fs. This is my fs. Done? चलो एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Laplace of e raised to 4t into 1. Come on, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is ft?
1.
One.
उसका लाप्लास क्या है?
1 by s.
1 by s.
S.
This is replaced with
4
Four.
minus 4. E to the power 8. 1 upon s minus 4.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
किसके रूम में आवाज आ रहा है इतना?
I'm in my room. My partner is attending class.
Who is there? अंकुर नहीं, भरत.
Yes, ma'am.
Who are there?
My partner is attending class.
Your partner.
Yes, ma'am. Room.
Then he is talking with you or he is talking with
No,
someone?
ma'am. In the attending class. It's Raj, ma'am.
I don't get you. I don't get you. Tell me again.
Ma'am is attending the class. This is talking to sir.
Which sir? Is some senior is there?
No, ma'am. We are attending. He is attending the class. Srikant Madiwale sir.
He is talking with Shrikant Madiwale sir.
He is having partner of division 1, room partner.
Yes, ma'am. Myself Ayush Raj. Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
आप
अरे
सही है.
दो अलग अलग लेक्चर एक रूम में बैठोगे तो क्या होगा?
अच्छा, ठीक है.
म्यूट कर उनका आवाज कम कर.
ओके, ओके.
Bharat. What is this going on, Bharat? यार, or you can use the earphone ना? कितना डिस्टर्ब होता है यार? Okay. So all of you understood? Now I will give you another example. Laplace of e raised to 4t sin 2t. चलो फटाफट आंसर बताओ. किसका लाप्लास निकालना है?
Sin 2t.
Sin 2t. हाँ, बोलो. What is Laplace of sin 2t?
A upon s square. 4.
What is a?
Sorry,
Ma'am,
2 upon s
4
square.
upon s square.
हाँ.
1 s square.
अब क्या करोगे?
2 upon
अब क्या करोगे? S will be
Replaced
replaced
by s minus.
with. हाँ.
अच्छा,
What is a?
4.
Are you getting this? Are you getting
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Sure.
Yes.
हाँ. चलो. Now Laplace of e raised to 3t cos 4t. Come on.
two upon
S by.
S by
16 square plus s square. या जो भी है s square plus 16 square. 16,
16.
sorry.
हाँ. After that,
S will be replaced by S minus A.
minus 3.
S
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
3.
S minus 3.
Done. Now, can you simplify this? Is this my final answer? No, this is not my final answer. When I'm applying the first shifting property, I have to use the, I have to do the simplification. 9 plus 16. Now, my final answer will be, fine? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First shifting property is very, very important. It is very, very important. Fine. Now, can you use this property if you have this? Can you use?
Ma'am, the 3s will be 6s.
3 to the 6. Sorry. Okay. Can you use this property for this type of term or question?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Why? Because this is not in a form of e raised to
E
80
raised to
to ft. It is not in a form of e raised to 80 into ft. Okay, this is a form of first shifting property. Now, for this, you have another property which is named as multiplication by t property. Sin 2t is multiplied with t. That's why it is known as multiplication by t property. Okay, so we are going to see these properties one by one afterwards. But for the time being, I want to give you some examples under this property. And now, can you write the formula for all these functions? Can you write the formula? What is this? Can anybody explain me? Apply this property to elementary basic functions of Laplace transform. We get some more useful Laplace transforms. Will you remember this formula? Will you? फिर कितना गड़बड़ हो जाएगा? कितने फॉर्मूला याद रखोगे? Instead, if you know the first shifting property, all these my standard functions are multiplied with e raised to 80. So, can I apply the first shifting property? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, यहाँ पे क्या है? किसका लाप्लास निकालना है? Okay, here you can use first shifting or you can use direct formula of Laplace of e raised to 80. दोनों का आंसर सेम ही है. देखो. Yes or no? What is Laplace of e raised to 80? 1 upon s minus a. है ना? Now, if I want to use property, first shifting property, what I'll do? First, I will find Laplace of 1, which is 1 upon s. And then I will replace s with s minus a. Both way I can write. Yes or no? I can write both way. Okay? Chalo. Now, is this okay? Laplace of t raised to n. What is that? N factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. But this t raised to n is multiplied with e raised to 80. So this s is replaced with s minus a. And then it is written. And you got this formula. Yes or no? Done? Here. What is Laplace of cos bt? S upon s square plus b square. What is this s replaced with? S minus a. And you got this formula. But s is replaced with s minus a. So the numerator will also change. है ना? जहां s है, s will replace with s minus a. Okay. What is Laplace of sin bt? b upon s square plus b square. But this s will replace with s minus a, and you got this formula. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
For shifting property, all of you have understood? Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. We will take 2-3 questions, huh? Very simple question. What is written over here?
Example number 10 to 17.
From exercise?
21.
Yes. This is example number 10. E raised to minus 80, sine of hyperbolic of 80. They ask you to find Laplace of this. Come on. Batao. What is the answer? First foremost is, what is ft?
Ma'am, a upon s square minus a square कर देंगे. ft sin hyperbolic of 80.
Ah. And s will replace with?
S minus a.
S minus A.
The minus minus a plus.
Very good. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको समझ में आता है तो. s plus a the whole square minus ये a नहीं है, d है.
B square.
Done. Okay. Now, तो आप क्वेश्चन कैसे लिखोगे? How to write the question? देखो बताती हूँ. Laplace of sine of hyperbolic of bt लिखना है पहले. Okay? Fine. Which is b upon s square minus b square. Then Laplace of e raised to minus 80 sine hyperbolic of bt is equal to b upon s plus a the whole square minus this. This is the way you will write the answer. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Question number 11. E raised to 2t, 3t raised to 5 minus cos 4t. Apply Laplace. What can you take out outside? 3.
3.
Multiply e raised to 2t with 3t raised to 5. So e raised to 2t, t raised to 5 minus Laplace of e raised to 2t cos 4t. ठीक है? What you did over here? Which property? Linearity property. Now can you write direct answer? सबसे पहले क्या करोगे आप? इसका लाप्लास लिखो. हाँ? बोलो. t raised to 5.
5 factorial upon s
to the power 6. आपने देखा मैंने 6 कितना दूर लिखा है ना?
Yes.
Because e raised to 2t is there, so I have to replace this s with
Minus
S minus 2.
very good, and will multiply with this 3. Done. So this is a Laplace of this.
Yes.
Minus. बोलो. सबसे पहले इसका लाप्लास लिखो. s
S square plus S square.
Upon S square plus
plus 16. Replace this s with
S minus 2.
s
S
minus
minus
2. Done.
Yes.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
हो गया. Now simplify this. 5 factorial का आंसर निकालो, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Simplify. इसे simplify कर सकते हो. इसको ऐसे ही रखो. Put this as it is. Okay. Question number 11. Now, if you have, मैं सेकेंड सेशन भी अभी शेयर करूंगी, उसमें जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, 13. Now I'll discuss only e raised to minus 3t sin 5t sin 3t. क्या करोगे सबसे पहले बताओ. Here you have three functions. What will you do? Multiplying and dividing. 2 sin a sin b. Cos of cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Use करोगे ना? E raised to minus 3t 1 by 2 cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Now multiply this inside and apply first shifting. तो आपने यहाँ पे क्या क्या काम किया? You used trigonometry over here, then you used linearity property, and then you have used first shifting property. Okay? So this is the way you can do the 12th question. I'll show you example number 13. E raised to minus t sin square t. चलो बताओ, आप लोग बताओगे क्या करना है इसमें? Come on, sin square t का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 minus cos upon 2. So Laplace of e raised to minus t in bracket 1 minus cos 2t upon 2, right? Laplace of 1 by 2 take outside, taken outside, e raised to minus t minus Laplace of e raised to minus t into cos t. Yes or no? Into 1 भी कर सकते हो आप इधर, but you can write direct answer ना. e raised to minus t का फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हो ना. 1 by 2. What is Laplace of e raised to minus t?
1 by s minus a.
Minus or plus?
Plus.
Plus 1. Okay. Minus. चलो, तो यहाँ पे आप सिंपल फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हो, है ना? Now here you want to use first shifting property. What is first shifting? चलो, cos 2t का लाप्लास क्या है? S square.
S upon S square minus 2 square.
S square minus 2 square नहीं, S minus है? S square minus या plus?
Plus में
Plus.
हाँ, अब S is replaced with yes or no? ये -1 है. S is replaced with S minus A, but A is -1. So S will replace with S minus of -1. So S is replaced with S plus 1 in this cos 2t का fs. Yes or no? Listen, all of you must understand this property. Because there are so many properties. गड़बड़ करोगे, मैं बहुत ही स्लो जा रही हूँ और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस भी करवा रही हूँ. फाइन. दूसरे कोई भी फैकल्टी होते ना, एक एक दो दो क्वेश्चन करके एक लेक्चर में 5-5 प्रॉपर्टी करवाती है. So it's better if you don't understand, ask me right now. Madam, how it is plus and how it is minus? Fine. S is replaced with S minus A. And E का पावर में A अगर नेगेटिव है तो नेचुरली ये प्लस बनेगा. एंड ये क्या लिखा हमने, cos 2t का पहले लाप्लास लिखा, फिर मैं s को रिप्लेस कर रही हूँ. फाइन. Now simplify this and you will get the answer. Example number 14. Cos of hyperbolic of 80 into sine 80. Come on. Who will tell me this? Is this in a first shifting form?
No,
No. Then what to do?
and we will convert cos HAT into t equal formula.
Very nice. Cos hyperbolic of 80 को e के पावर में कन्वर्ट करोगे. E raised to 80, e raised to minus 80 upon 2 into sine 80. Very nice. Okay, take out this 1/2 aside. बाहर ले लो. And what? बोलो बोलो. Laplace e raised
to 80
into sine 80.
sin 80
Okay. Plus
plus
Laplace.
e raised to minus 80 into sin.
Very nice. Now you know how to apply. Here s will replace with s minus a, and here s will replace with s plus a, because this is minus. And proceed further. So this type of questions are there under first shifting property. So in our next lecture, we are going to do next property, which is second shifting property. Then change of scale property. Then Laplace transform of periodic function. ठीक है. उसके बाद के लेक्चर में हम Laplace transform of integral, Laplace transform of differential, then multiplication by t property, division by t property, and एक और property है. ठीक है. ऐसे टोटल ये सारी प्रॉपर्टियां हमें आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी. बहुत छोटी छोटी है, उसमें से ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग, ये 4 एंड फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइन. चलो, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो आर यू एंजॉयिंग?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन बोला? वसुदेव.
Yes, ma'am. Enjoying very much.
एंजॉयिंग.
वासुदेव तो बहुत एंजॉय कर रहा है इधर.
हाँ,
Yes,
क्या?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे जरा वीडियो ऑन करो, मुझे देखना है सब कौन कहाँ कैसे बैठा है. कौन? अरे इंद्रजीत इज ज्वाइनिंग राइट नाउ.
गलती से लीव कर
He was in the meeting. He
अच्छा.
left and coming.
Meter is disabled.
मैम
मैसेज शेयरिंग.
ओए, वीडियो ऑन करो ना कोई तो. जरा देखो
रमेश.
तो. बहुत
आपने डिसेबल करके रखा है.
प्रथमेश जादव वीडियो ऑन करो.
मैम.
I'm disabled by the
मैम आपने डिसेबल करके रखा है, अलाउ नहीं किया किसी को वीडियो स्टार्ट करने के लिए.
क्या क्या बोल रहा है?
अरे हाँ रे.
वीडियो स्टार्ट वीडियो. ओके. हाँ चलो करो. चलो Come on. योर वीडियो. जादव, बड़े चर्चे सुने हैं भैया हमने आपके. कहाँ गए जी? भरत. वाव, भरत देख कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है. हैंडसम बॉय. यस. ध्रुव काकड़े. वाव. अरे एकदम चकाचक दाढ़ी एंड बाल कटवा दिए.
क्या करे मैम, कॉलेज वाले कटवाने को बोलते हैं.
अरे अच्छा दिख रहा है ना, कितना स्मार्ट लग रहा है. देख तो सही है ना.
मैम H3 के लौंडे देखो.
ओए, थोड़ा लैंग्वेज अच्छी यूज कर.
मैम सारे क्लास लगा रहे हैं.
वासुदेव. हाय हाय, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग वासुदेव? यू आर अलोन इन अ रूम? You are muted.
Fine, ma'am.
You are alone in a room, Vasudev?
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
So how many are there? Tell me. Tell me, Vasudev. Show me. Somebody. Show me, and tell their name. Vasudev.
Ma'am, Yugal is there.
Who? Senior. Who is there?
Division 5 Yugal.
Division 5. It's okay, na?
Yugal.
I'm not teaching, na? It's okay. बस ध्रुव काकड़े साहब अकेले बैठे हो क्या?
No, ma'am, roommate सो रहा है.
ओही, कौन है रूममेट तेरा?
कोहिनूर.
अच्छा, मेरा लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया क्या उसने?
नहीं किया था, अभी सो रहा है आपका लेक्चर होने के बाद.
सो गया, नींद आ गई उसे.
हाँ मैम.
उठा तो उसे.
दर्शन लग मेरा.
ब्रेकफास्ट करने नहीं जाएगा क्या? रुक जा, कौन है उसका नाम बता.
इधर आइए.
कम दर्शन. मैं मिस मीटिंग.
ये देखो मैम, ये
कौन है? नाम बता.
हेलो मैम.
हाय, हाउ आर यू?
कोहिनूर.
I'm fine.
हाउ आर यू? यू वर स्लीपिंग.
Yes, ma'am. Our lectures were cancelled today.
अच्छा, you are in which division?
Division 3.
Oh, I thought you are in.
आधी division यहाँ है.
Hi, all of you. अरे वाह 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 वाह. वासुदेव. सही. Good. Nice to see you. Nice to see you all. Hello. Chalo. You can leave now and take your breakfast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind, ma'am.
साहिल जगताप दिख नहीं रहा मुझे. चला गया क्या? अनिमेश, किधर बैठा है तू?
मैम हम अब जा रहे हैं स्नैक्स करने.
ठीक है, चलो, बाय बाय.
बाय.